Hey, this is Algorithms. Welcome to my video. Don't you know I'm hiding a headset right here? Feels so weird. Today I'm making a car related thing. If you've seen some car parking games that you have to drive a car to stop at a parking slot, the logic of moving that car was interesting for me, so I wanted to make one by myself from scratch to see the challenges ahead. Let's do it. The first step of having a moving car is to have a car. I don't want to use an image this time, I want to make it with basic shapes in p5.js. Here's the first thing I did. I put a good looking color rectangle on the screen and I want to make the corners a little bit curved. Not so bad, maybe a little more.
And we can also add the headlights.
Yeah. Some backlights maybe. I need to simulate the roof somehow. Let's make another rectangle on top. Looks like a car so far. We just need to add the wheels. I have to render the wheels first. Okay, this is what I got after making some changes and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna make a class called car and every car must have a position on the screen and an angle from the start. Here's our car again, but this time we can change the position and direction however we want. Haha. But I'm not gonna move the car with my mouse like this. We need to make some key functions. For the start, I want to make the car move back and forth by up and down arrow keys. Nothing more for now. Okay, let's see what we've done. Nah. It goes back and forth with every key. Let's change the direction. Now it goes this way. Very good. Now we need a steering direction that moves the wheels and controls the movement of car in any direction that the wheels are. Let's fix the wheels for now. Okay, here's the result. As you can see, the direction of car and the direction of steering is completely different, and the wheels rotate by the direction of steering. But still no movement to the sides. Let's make that happen. Okay, check this out. Oh yeah. We're rotating, baby! It looks really good, not gonna lie. I want to make it kind of a racing car. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the results now, but it's not realistic as I wanted it to be. Let me explain you why. As you can see here, the center of rotation is at the center, and this is not how a real car works. A real car moves differently based on steering forward or backward. And I'm gonna tell you what's the difference. As you can see here, I put the center of rotation in center of this car, but on this car it's a little shifted to the back. And for the result, it looks like this.
You can see on this car it looks like it's sliding on the ground, but on the other one it's completely natural.
You can feel this better if we use a longer car like limousine. This car is going crazy, man. The next problem I'd like to solve is the more speed the car has, the less steering you got, because the car may slide on the ground. And vice versa, the less speed you got, the more steering control you have on the car. And you can see it right here on the screen. And on the results, the path will be more realistic because the speed changes how you steer. Let's take a look at the other cars I made. Here's the classic one. It looks good. I don't know what to call this, but it looks so stupid. The next one is square shaped. Not bad. Looks cute. And the last one is kind of a bus. Like the movement. Yeah. That's a good looking bus. Okay, now that we have a working car, why don't we make a level of parking for it? Finally got it. It looks like this. I'm so done. Okay, let's start. I don't think that's gonna be that hard. This is good. Again. It's so tight. Okay. Just be careful. Oh my god. Oh, again. Come on. Let's get a position first. Okay, minutes. Yeah, okay, I feel so nervous. Okay, that's the last part. Yeah. Oh my god, I don't know how to do it. Let's take it. Start position. That's a good one. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's a biggie. We're close. See the part right there. Oh my god, that was it here. Shit, I don't think about this. No. Oh my god, oh my god. Please. I didn't hit it. Oh shit. I will do it this time. Okay, we're back at this point. Oh my god, oh my god. Why does it feel so hard? Should get like this. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby, we did it. We did it. Ooh, that was interesting. I hope you liked what we did right here. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Share it with the others so they can check it out. If you like coding, you can check this project on my GitHub account. You can change it, make it better if you can, and send them to me if you like to. I don't have much water, but keep yourself hydrated. Yeah. Peace. Bye.